Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the GK class. So today we will cover three chapter of GK, that is chapter number 22, 26, and 38. So let's start the chapter number 22. The name of this chapter is National Flowers. So student, you know very well that the flowers are the most beautiful gift given by God. So they surrounded us at every phase of our life. So they are the source of joy, happiness, sweetness, and beauty. So students, in this chapter we will study about the national flowers. So students, different countries in the world have chosen some beautiful flowers as their national flowers. So let's start. So use the name of the country and the picture to identify the flowers shown below. तो आपके सामने पिक्चर दे रखी है, हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज हियर एज अ नेशनल फ्लावर. Bhutan, yes, the name of this national flower of Bhutan is blue poppy. The second one is here as which is the national flower of Afghanistan. Yes, the answer is tulip. Number third, the national flower of Japan. Okay, so answer is here. National flower Japan का कौन सा है? Yes, cherry blossom. Number fourth, as the national flower of USA, as here rose. And number fifth, the national flower of the Australia, yes, it is a golden cotton. Number six is the national flower of Pakistan as jasmine. Number seven, now national flower of France. Yes, it is Irish. Now number eight, you can see the flower. You can see the image of the flowers here. This, which is the national flower of Sri Lanka. Answer is here, blue star, white lily. Number nine, which is the national flower of Russia here. Yes, the answer is chamomile. Number 10, yes, the national flower of Nepal. The answer is yes, rhododendron term. Okay, so students, I hope you have to understood the national flower of different countries. Yes, students, you know the national flower of India. So as the lotus is the national flower of India. Yes, did you know that terrestrial spider orchid found in Paris or in the part of Australia look like maiden in white tutu in a graceful ballet dance pose? Okay, this is a very knowledgeable question here. So now student, I hope you have to understood this chapter national flowers. So now let's start the another chapter, chapter number 26, and the name of this chapter is move to work. Okay, now students, some vehicles are meant to perform some specific task. कुछ जो vehicles होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, कुछ specific task करने के लिए अलग अलग vehicles हम use करते हैं. Okay, so one can easily see them serving the society in many ways. तो आपने society के अंदर देखा होगा अलग अलग work करने के लिए अलग अलग vehicles हम use करते हैं. ये नहीं कि हम किसी भी व्हीकल से कोई भी वर्क हम आसानी से कर सकते हैं. तो उसके लिए अलग अलग जो वर्क होते हैं उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, अलग अलग व्हीकल यूज करते हैं. Now student, so in this chapter we study about the vehicles. As you can you identify these vehicles, the pictures are, the images are given there and options are also given there, so we have to identify the vehicle name. Okay, let's start. Now number one, it is used to carry patients and injured people to hospital. आपको पता ही होगा कि patient को, injured people को hospital ले जाने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, कौन सा vehicle यूज करते हैं? Yes, that is ambulance. Now number second, it is used to extinguish fire. It is kept in a fire station. जो एक व्हीकल है जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं वो फायर क्या होता है, एक्सटिंग्विश फायर, जो आग बुझाने के काम करता है, फायर स्टेशन में रहता है. यस, आंसर इज फायर इंजन. नंबर थर्ड, farmers use this wonder machine to increase their produce. Yes, farmer use करते हैं इस wonder machine को तो अपना जो ये produce जो वो करते हैं, increase करते हैं. The name is tractor. Number four, we produce a large quantity of waste materials every day. This vehicle is used to carry waste and other garbage. ये vehicle होता है वो large quantity जो waste material है उसको उठाने का काम करता है. जो वेस्ट मटेरियल, जो गार्बेज, जो कचरा होता है, उठाने का काम करता है. यस, यू कैन सी द इमेज. यस, दिस इज अ गार्बेज ट्रक. नंबर फिफ्थ, इट इज यूज्ड टू लिफ्ट एंड लोअर द हैवी मटेरियल्स एज कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स. जो कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट जो काम हो रहा होता है, जो उसके अंदर जो हैवी मटेरियल्स को उठाने का काम कौन करता है? यस, आंसर इज क्रेन. यू कैन सी द इमेज हियर. नाउ नंबर 6, this vehicle is used as construction sites to push her use quantity of soil and rubble. So this vehicle यूज करते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन साइड में ही यूज करते हैं, लेकिन किस लिए यूज करते हैं? टू पुश ह्यूज क्वांटिटी ऑफ सॉइल. जो सॉइल जो मिट्टी होती है, जो उसको क्या करते हैं? पुश करने का, आगे पुश करने का काम करते हैं. एंड द रबल, रबल मीन्स जिसको हम मलबा बोलते हैं, पत्थरों का जो मलबा होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं रबल. तो ये दैट्स द नेम ऑफ दिस व्हीकल इज बुलडोजर. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो आई होप you have to understood this chapter, chapter number 26, as move to work. Okay student, now let's start the chapter number 38, national games. You know student, the games are very important in our life. Yes, games and sports make us healthy and fit for work, and games are very necessary in our life. Games and sports make us fit, active, fresh, and social also. Now, they teach us a lesson of collateral duty and discipline. They teach us a lesson of brotherhood and national unity. Now, the student, we talk about the games. Yes, games have much value in development of a body. It is as important as that of a mind. Yes, you can say that a healthy mind dwells in a healthy body. Okay, so games keep the body fit and active. So in student, in this chapter we talk about the games. As a student, you know very well the games are of two types, such as indoor games and outdoor games. Okay, so in this chapter we talk about the national games. Okay, so here are the games played in different countries. The name of the countries in which these games are considered as a national game. Okay. Yes, student, picture are given there. Okay, so name is also given here, the name of a game. So we have to write the country name. Okay, so now number one is here hockey. You can see the image of hockey. Yes, this is a national game of India. Number second, ice hockey. Yes, ice hockey. Yes, this is a national game of Canada. Number third, baseball. Baseball is a national game of USA. Number fourth is here cricket. Yes, cricket is a national game of England. Okay, student. Number fifth, football. Football, yes, it is a national game of Brazil. हम बात कर रहे हैं किसकी? नेशनल गेम की. जो अलग अलग कंट्री ने अपने अपने नेशनल गेम कंसिडर कर रखे हैं, तो हम ये देख रहे हैं कि किस कंट्री ने कौन सा गेम को एज ए नेशनल गेम बनाया. So number 6 is has here chess. Chess is a national game of Russia. Okay, number 7 is here as a badminton. Badminton, yes, it is a national game of Malaysia. Number 8, judo. Judo, yes, it is a national game of Japan. Number 9, table tennis. Table tennis is a national game of China. Okay, now student, did you know the word checkmate in chess? हम बात कर रहे हैं chess जो game होता है उसके अंदर जो word use करते हैं checkmate comes from the पर्शियन फ्रेज. तो कहां से लिया गया है? पर्शियन फ्रेज से लिया गया है. उसको वो एक पर्शियन फ्रेज है जिसका क्या है? शाह मिट मीन्स क्या होता है उसका? द किंग इज हेल्पलेस. का मतलब क्या है? किंग क्या है? हेल्पलेस है. नाउ what term is used for sumo wrestler of Japan? जो कौन सी टर्म हम यूज करेंगे sumo wrestler of Japan के लिए? Yes, the term is here we write as a rikishi. Okay students, so student, I hope you have to understood the chapter number 38, national games. You have to learn these chapters and note down in your notebook. Okay.